Hey everyone, in today's video, we will be discussing the topic of acid reflux and how to stop it naturally. Acid reflux, also known as heartburn, is a common digestive problem that affects millions of people around the world. It is caused by the reflux of stomach acid into the esophagus, which can lead to symptoms such as burning pain in the chest, difficulty swallowing, and a sour taste in the mouth. While there are many over-the-counter and prescription medications that can help to control acid reflux, but there are also a number of natural remedies that can be effective in reducing the symptoms of this condition. Here I'll be sharing with you 5 of the most effective natural remedies to stop acid reflux. Along with that, I'll also share a few important tips to stop acid reflux at the end of this video. So if you're struggling with this condition and want to learn how to stop heartburn without medication, then make sure to stay tuned. If you are ready, let's get started. Number 1. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a natural acid neutralizing agent that can help to balance the pH levels in the stomach and reduce the symptoms of acid reflux. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water and drink it before meals to prevent heartburn. Number 2. Ginger. Ginger has natural anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce the swelling and irritation in the esophagus caused by acid reflux. Consuming ginger in the form of tea, capsules, or fresh ginger root, which can help to alleviate the symptoms of acid reflux. Number 3. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea has natural sedative and antispasmodic properties that can help to relax the muscles in the stomach and prevent the reflux of stomach acid into the esophagus. Drink a cup of chamomile tea after meals to help prevent heartburn. Number 4. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is a natural digestive aid that can help to reduce the symptoms of acid reflux by neutralizing stomach acid and soothing the inflamed lining of the esophagus. Drink a glass of aloe vera juice before meals to prevent heartburn. Number 5. Baking soda. Baking soda is a natural antacid that can help to neutralize stomach acid and provide relief from heartburn. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda with a glass of water and drink it when you experience the symptoms of acid reflux. It neutralizes stomach acid and provides relief. Apart from all these remedies, follow a few simple tips which can also help to stop acid reflux and heartburn. Avoid trigger foods. Avoid foods that trigger acid reflux and heartburn, such as spicy foods, fatty foods, citrus fruits, caffeine, alcohol, and carbonated beverages. Avoiding these foods and drinks can help to prevent the symptoms of acid reflux. Eat smaller, more frequent meals. Eating large meals can cause the stomach to produce more acid, which can lead to heartburn. Eating smaller, more frequent meals can help to reduce the amount of acid produced by the stomach and prevent heartburn. Avoid eating before bedtime. Eating a heavy meal close to bedtime can cause the stomach to produce more acid, which can lead to heartburn. Avoid eating for at least 2 hours before bedtime to prevent the symptoms of acid reflux. Elevate the head of your bed. Lying down flat after eating can cause stomach acid to flow back into the esophagus, which leads to heartburn. Elevating the head of your bed by 6 to 8 inches can help to prevent the reflux of stomach acid and reduce the symptoms of acid reflux. Quit smoking. Smoking can weaken the lower esophageal sphincter, which can cause the reflux of stomach acid into the esophagus and lead to heartburn. Quitting smoking can help to strengthen the lower esophageal sphincter and prevent the symptoms of acid reflux. I hope all this information has helped you understand how to stop heartburn. If you have enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give the thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. For getting more videos from us, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you will never miss a video. Stay fit, and thanks for watching this video.